guys, so today I want to do a quick one on weekly market review for this week. So first of all, I'll be starting with XAU. Yeah, so first of all, I want to mark out my bias for the week, what I'm expecting for the week. Yeah, so stay close and watch me how I do my things. So first of all, let me go to monthly time frame at time. Yeah, on monthly time frame, just want to find the bias. That's the current. You follow the current order flow. So on this monthly now, you see this is more like a CRT on this monthly time frame. A CRT formation on this monthly time frame. And here is the draw on liquidity. So here now is my CRT low and here my high. So now I'm expecting gold to take out this particular level. Yeah, on this monthly time frame. Let me go down to weekly time frame. Just follow the recent order flow. On this weekly time frame, you see that on that sweep, on that CRT sweep, you see that this is more like an liquidity. It's more like a liquidity, which is an inducement to this level. See how it tap into this order block on weekly time frame. You don't need to waste much time on higher time frame to see your levels, to confine your bias. You see how that price tap into this order block, then it's now trying to take out this particular high. Same on this monthly DOF. So moving down to day time frame. On this day time frame, is also the same thing. After this external break, then this is more like an inducement before the break. It's more like an inducement here before the break actually happens. So on this day time frame, I couldn't find much thing. It's not more that I'll mark out on every time frame. So on this day, I couldn't even find any reasonable thing on this day apart from here. But here, after this break from here, then this as my liquidity, and here you'll be my POI. Then to be expecting something like this. But I don't think this can happen. I don't think it's so clean, but based on how market is now, it is reacting now. I don't think it can happen for now. Yeah. So this, if I to say this is what I'm expecting on day time frame, but let's confirm on other time frame. Let me shake the weekly time frame. On this weekly time frame, assuming that here didn't close with the body, we will be seeing this as a CRT, but it's not a very CRT though the market is in a bullish trend, but you won't use this as a very CRT because it didn't close with weak before the range. So on this day, this is what I'm expecting on day. Yeah, let me look out from other time frame on 4 hours time frame. On this 4-hour time frame now, I think wait. For this 4-hour time frame, there is not even a valid here. I'll consider all this space as a liquidity. All this space as a liquidity. Yeah. All this space now is a liquidity to me, if I'm to say. So I think that the level we mark out on daily time frame is a good one, because on these 4 hours there is nothing good before our zone on that daily time frame. Yes, these 4 hours have already shown us a good way to go. Yeah, so it even aligns with this 4 hours order block here. 4 hours order block here. 4 hours order block from here. So this is what I'll be expecting on XAU. No need to go down to lower time frame, because I've already seen my bias. This is what I'll be expecting on XAU. This is what I'll be expecting on XAU for now. I'll patiently wait for it, for market to tap in here. But if market couldn't reach here and do something like this, break this high here, if I see liquidity, then I will buy from this order block. But let's just be watching. This is my the nicest zone to buy from. Then targeting, see the nearest drawn liquidity. Then this one is the extreme drawn liquidity. Yeah, a very clean one. So this is my view, this is my bias for XAUUSD on the time frame. Yo, that's my bias for now. So if you like for me to share my entry, you can join my Telegram channel. Yeah, on my Telegram channel, I share my trade. Any trade I take, I'll share it there. So I'll wait for confirmation once price drop into the zone, and I'll also drop it on my Telegram channel. So you can join it through the bio, through my bio. Just once you go into my page, you see it there, only Telegram channel. Yeah, so let me go to another pair on BTC/USD. Okay, on this BTC/USD now, first of all, let me go to monthly time frame. On monthly time frame, let me check what is happening. Wow, a very good one. On this monthly time frame, you see, after this double break, no, this one is a break from here. So after this break here, then this is serving as a liquidity to this zone. Yeah, then price came to tap into this order block. Very clean one. A breaker block, a very clean one. Yeah, so on this monthly, my drawn liquidity will be at this point. My extreme drawn liquidity will actually be at this point. Then my normal drawn liquidity. Yeah. So moving down to weekly time frame now. On weekly time frame, let me see what's happening on weekly time frame. Nothing much on weekly time frame, just a refined zone from here. Just a refined zone. For me, I don't pick my entries on higher time frame. I only pick my entries on lower time frame because I'm a day trader. Don't pick my entry from higher time frame. So here is my nearest drawn liquidity on weekly time frame. Nothing much to explain. It's almost the same thing. Yeah, almost the same thing. So on daily time frame. Let me see what's happening on daily time frame. Okay, so on this daily time frame now, this is the recent break. This is the recent break on daily time frame. We are bullish on BTC. We are bullish. So we are expecting only bullish setup here. So this is serving as a liquidity, but price have already taken out this high already without happening here. I'm saying it because this is a day time frame, though it's capable of still coming back, but it's low probability of BTC coming back to this zone. But I'll just mark it out. For now. So as you can see, this is a clean one on this day time frame. Yeah, assuming this is on 15 minutes time frame, know that nothing much to talk about. Know that this will actually be my entry, then I say below. Yeah, so let me move down to 4 hours time frame. On 4 hours time frame, let me see what's happening. So on this 4 hours time frame, nothing much to do. Just follow the current order flow. Don't go and be marking all those zones. Nothing more. Just follow the recent. Once you see your directional bias on higher time frame, just once you are going down, just follow the recent order flow. So on this daily now, on this 4 hours, you see that on this 4 hours the price actually tap into a breaker block before moving up. So we won't consider this 4 hours order block. I'll just delete it. You won't consider it to come back again. So as you can see, this one also use the QML at this point. Then I know by now some of you guys know the meaning of QML. What is QML? Nothing much to talk. Yeah. So as you can see now, here is the current one on BTC. So yeah, now after this break here, also yeah, so as you can see on this BTC now, after this break, then this has my liquidity. Yeah, this was my liquidity. Then, but I think price have already tapped into this other book. Wait, no, it haven't. So this has my liquidity, and I'll be expecting XAU. This is what I'll be expecting on XAU. I'll be expecting something like this on XAU for now. Be expecting it to like tap into this zone, then give me a confirmation. I think I'll drop a video about confirmation entries on this my YouTube channel. Just go to my page and find it there. Yeah, all of them are there. So here's what I'm currently expecting on BTC. So it's obvious that I can't go to other lower time frame because all my directional bias are still pending. Assuming that BTC have already tapped into this zone, then I can go to like 15 minutes time frame to look for confirmation and cook a setup. Yeah, but for now I can't go down to other time frame because 4 hours have already given me wait, let me check 3 hours and 2 hours to know the nearest zone first. 3 hours, nothing much. On 2 hours, let me check. On 2 hours, nothing much also. Nothing much here. So let me know what it looks like on this. assuming that if it trigger here, it will sweep this low, maybe do something like this, sweep, then take out this high. Yeah, but it's not that I'm not expecting this, but if it can happen, then give us a higher confirmation, a prayer. Yeah, so this is my view, my directional bias for BTC. So it's also buy. I'm expecting to buy. Yeah, if it can happen to form a CRT on a time frame, know that it will actually tap into this other block here. So moving to other pairs, which is GBP JPY. Very nice pair. So I would like to start on monthly time frame. Yeah, on monthly time frame, let's know what is happening. Wow. So on this monthly time frame, price has been bearish for a long time. Then let us change structure from here. Not too much to read. Yeah, let's just leave here. Then on this monthly time frame now, you see that price has already tapped into this other block from here. It's not all other blocks are valid to pick. If you want to know more about that, you can go to my channel, search for other blocks. Yeah, I'll drop a video on that to understand how to pick another block. So here is my target for monthly time frame. You know that it won't just happen immediately. This is my overall target. So this can even take up to this whole year to finish. Maybe I'll be expecting some kind of break, pullback. It can boom back more, break. Anything can happen. This is just my overall target on GBP JPY. So moving down to weekly time frame. Let's know what fuck is happening over there. Yeah. So on this weekly time frame, this is my current order flow. It is more like a break from here. Yeah. Then here as an liquidity and price actually tapping from here, man. Damn. Price actually tapping from this other block. Yeah, so anything we'll be expecting now, we shouldn't be expecting any kind of reaction like something like this, expecting price to still come down here. No, price have already tapped into the end zone. So on daily time frame, so on this daily time frame, see after price tapping into that breaker block, see that it has given a lot of confirmation, a lot of entries and all those stuff. So on this daily time frame, this is a double break from here, a double break here. Double break from here. So this has my liquidity. Yeah. On this daily time frame, I'll be expecting where is the nearest zone. The nearest zone has yet been triggered. Okay, it has been ready to trigger. So here is my nearest zone for this GBP JPY. I'll be expecting a kind of buy. So on this daily time frame now, I'll be expecting something like this. Yeah. So moving down to 4 hours time frame. So on this 4 hours time frame, it's also a clean one, a very clean one. So on this 4 hour time, it's also the same thing. I'm expecting the same thing on this 4 hours time frame. So nothing much to explain. After a break, my liquidity, then my nearest zone. Yeah. So I think is remaining this last one, ETH, because these are the only pairs I trade. Yeah, on this ETH, first of all, let's go down to monthly time frame. On this monthly time frame is also a good one. Price has been rejecting from other block. We first reject from here, then take out this high, now rejecting from here, and I'm also expecting it to take out this high, this particular high. Yeah. So on ETH, let me move to weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, let me see what the fuck is happening over there, man. Weekly time frame, nothing much. It's also the same thing. On weekly time frame. So expecting the nearest zone liquidity. Yeah. Then daily, nothing. You don't need to waste time to look for a setup. Just once you see your setup, don't go and manipulate or force a setup. Yeah. So on this day time frame, I couldn't see any clear stuff here. I couldn't see anything clear here. Everything just come on, guy. Nothing clear, bro. So I'll go down to 4 hours because I couldn't see any clear zone on this daily. So on 4 hours, let me look for. Okay. So I use 4 hours now. This is a very clean one. This is more like just a break from here, a lot break. Then another break from here, which is internal break. Then this is serving as, I don't know if it actually triggered from this zone, but let me go and check on 3 hours and 2 hours to confirm whether if there is a zone it's tapping before moving up, before saying anything on 2 hours. On 2 hours time frame, you see a very clean one. On this 2 hours time frame, I see that it actually give an engineering liquidity, then tap into this zone, here, this zone. You see it, a very clean one, and then give a confirmation here. A break here. Then this is still serving as an engineering liquidity. Then serving as an engineering liquidity. After this break, this price, this ETH don't even have a clear view. Everywhere just bro. ETH, no clear view, man. No clear view. I don't force setup. If I say to wait, I'll be expecting two things. Either that ETH still come back here, something like this, then move up, or that it break here, then maybe give me a confirmation. I'll buy from this breaker block or any other block that forms. This is what I'll be expecting. Yeah. So this is my last pair. I only trade 4 pairs, which are XAU, BTC, GBP, and ETH. Yeah. So I'll be stopping here. So if you are looking more to take my trade, I share my trade on my Telegram channel. You can find the link on my bio. Yeah, you can join and make some banks and also learn some, because I share educational tips on my channel. We don't joke here, we don't pray, man. So I'll be stopping here for today. So thank you all for watching. I really appreciate, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if there is any pair you would like me to analyze. Yeah, if you want me to analyze any pair, just comment, or you can also drop your thoughts on everything I say. So thank you all. I really appreciate you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you all.